Hey, my name is Clayton Ehlers, and this is the Bare Necessities. Fish here are nuts. They're sizing you up. They're sizing her up over there. Welcome to beautiful Tyler State Park. Today I'm going to be flying the drone finally. Just to show y'all what it looks like and see if it's even flyable. So let's get into it. First, you turn the drone on. Then, you turn on the remote. You push throttle up, down, then back up. So it's got a couple buttons on it. You got throttle up and down, you got back and forth. It's not the easiest drone to fly. You really got to get some practice with it. I really haven't. I just kind of wanted to show y'all if it works or not. But you can supposedly do some stunts with it. There's a little stunt button here on the controller for my left pointer finger right here. These buttons over here are really important because they trim the drone. So if it's leaning in a certain direction, it makes it very difficult for it to go. So see how it's drifting to the right? You want to press the left trim, and then it'll make it a lot easier to balance. So you're pretty much constantly moving this drone. There's really no hovering with this thing, but you can get pretty close. Get about 15 minutes of flight time or less. Comes with a little charger like you saw in the unboxing video. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description below. Nothing too special, just kind of showing you what's in the box. If you've never flown a drone before, go pick this up. It wasn't too expensive, and it's really helping me to get comfortable with the whole idea of having a big one. Supposedly can go up to about 150 feet high. So it takes a couple seconds for the delay and then it'll stunt. So, is it worth buying? Absolutely. I only spent about 30 bucks on this, and it's already been a lot of fun for me just for my first drone. I would recommend it for kids and any beginners. Obviously, it's from Walmart. Go pick it up today. And yeah, tune in next time for the Bare Necessities.